Hey y'all, I'm so excited I get to teach a lesson with y'all today and talk about something that's super fun and super important. Can anybody tell me what holiday we just got done celebrating? Easter, yes. So can anyone tell me some things that remind you of Easter? Yes, the Easter bunny, Easter eggs, chocolate bunnies, and candy, all that stuff reminds me of Easter too. And so today we are going to read a book called The 10 Little Bunnies, and then we're going to tie it into how we can use this to talk about adding and subtracting numbers. So let's go ahead and start reading. Let's go ahead and start reading the book. So this book is called 10 Little Bunnies by Nurit Carlin, illustrated by Hans William. All right. 10 little bunnies danced in a line, full of pep. One missed a step. And then there were 9. 9 little bunnies hopped through a gate, hippity hop. One couldn't stop. And then there were 8. 8 little bunnies looked up to heaven. Buzz, buzz. What did they see? A busy bumblebee. And then there were 7. See, we can see the little bumblebee up there. 7 little bunnies carried some bricks. That wasn't easy. One felt super queasy. And then there were 6. 6 little bunnies went for a drive. Vroom, vroom, a witch on a broom. And then there were 5. 5 little bunnies knocked on the door. Knock, knock, who's there? A big angry bear. And then there were 4. 4 little bunnies climbed on a tree. Way, way up, a flying saucer and a cup. And then there were 3. 3 little bunnies went to the zoo. Oh, what fun! There's the tiger. Run, run, run. And then there were 2. 2 little bunnies ate bun after bun. Yummy, yummy. One stuffed his tummy. And then there were 1. 1 little bunny alone in a nook with 1 little stick and 1 magic trick. Bonk, oops, help, swoosh, whoosh, crash, sting, boom, slam. And a look! All 10 bunnies are back in the book. All right. Wasn't that such a fun book? And we got to talk about a bunch of cool things in there, talk about how 1 goes away each time. We started off with 10, we went down to 1, and then we came back with 10. So this brings us into our lesson that we have today. Today we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting numbers between 1 and 10. Now I know that most of us know how to count, but do we know how to add and subtract? That's what we're going to be talking about today. So today we have 10 Easter eggs. Now what's inside these eggs, I'll have to tell you at the end of class. So we have 10 eggs, and we're going to be talking about how we can add and subtract within these eggs. So the first thing we're going to talk about are our numbers. Together, let's go ahead and count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! So, with these eggs, we're going to go ahead and start doing a couple math problems. So when it comes to adding, it's all about taking one number and adding it to another number to get a total. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So first, let's start with 1. Here we have 1 egg. Now can anybody tell me how many these are? If that was 1 and we put another together, what does that make? 2. Good job. So if we have 2 eggs plus 1 egg, how many do you think we get? We put these together and it makes 3. Because we had 1, we carried another one in, and another, which makes 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do another one. Let's take 2 again. And let's take away 1. Now if we had 2 and we take away 1, what would that leave us with? We take away 2, we're left with 1. Alright, now let's go back to adding. Let's take 3 Easter eggs. And then let's add 3 more Easter eggs. Oops. Let's 3 more Easter eggs. Now let's count how many we have now. If we had 3, and then we're adding 3, let's see what that's going to be. 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3. Now let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome, so we have 6. Now let's do a couple bigger numbers. Let's take 5 and let's subtract 2. So if we have 5 minus 2, that means we're going to take away 2 of these eggs. So let's take away 2. Now let's count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. Alright, this is just a couple of demonstrations that we can use with eggs, which is a fun way that we get to see a visual and see what we do when we put a couple eggs together and we take away a couple eggs and what that leaves us with. Alright, I'm going to get a poster board, or dry erase board, and it has a couple of math equations that we're going to do together as a group. Now we're going to say these out loud, and if you can't get it, that's okay, I'm here to help. But let's start with this one. 1 plus 3. 4. Good job. 7 minus 2. Now this one's kind of difficult. So we have 7, and we're taking away 2, which leaves us with 5. Good job. Now we have 6 plus 4. This is a big one. 10. Good job. Now we have 9 minus 3. We have 9. We take away 3. Let's go ahead and do that. We have 9. Let's take away 3 of them. And we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to flip it over. 3 plus 0. Okay. Well, anything plus 0, you're going to get your original number, which is 3. 9 minus 1. Again, if we have 9, we take away 1, we have 8. 5 minus 1. Good job, it's 4. And then 6 plus 4. We can do that one together. 6. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're adding 4. Now let's count what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job, guys. So that is how we are adding and subtracting numbers. Adding, we're taking one number, we're adding a few more, which gives us a total. With subtracting, we have eggs, we're taking away a certain amount, which leaves us with an amount that's lesser. Alright guys, now we're going to pass out a handout, and I'm going to show you that handout. And that y'all are going to be doing this in class individually, and if y'all need any help or have any questions, y'all can just let me know. And then when you're done with this activity, you can turn it in and we'll go over it tomorrow. Alright, we're going to pass out this activity. Alright, can anyone tell me something important that we learned from today? Yes, we learned how to add and we learned how to subtract. We learned how to do it with Easter eggs, and then we did it on the board. Good job. And this is so important when we go on with other things, whether it helps us in to grow in our math education and in life, it's very important that we know how to count and we know how to subtract and add. Great job, guys. I'm so proud of y'all, and tomorrow we're going to be talking about how to do it with numbers bigger than 10. So keep up the good work, try hard, and we got this. Bye.